Hey guys, and welcome back to another dance tutorial here at Learn How to Dance, where you can find simple, easy, and step-by-step dance tutorials. Alright, so today we're gonna do a dance tutorial on how to do the I Miss My Cocoa Butter TikTok dance. And as always, thank you guys so much for all the requests, and thank you a bunch of different besties for being the first one to request it. Alright, so let's just jump right into it. This I Miss My Cocoa Butter dance is fairly easy in my opinion. Don't worry, I'll still slow you slow enough so that you can follow along, yeah? And remember, you can always go down and change your YouTube speed settings if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Alright, let's start with the first part where she sings I miss my cocoa butter kisses. Let's actually click before that. I'm just gonna show you what we're gonna practice. So here's how it looks. Click. I miss my cocoa butter kisses. So now let me explain step by step here. You want to lean a bit to the front and go snap. Yeah, you want to take your wrist and go roll them click. Yeah, I'm just going to show you from this angle instead. Roll them click. Alright, so lean forward and click. Now go back on I miss my, and then on cocoa you want to go here, prep. So you want to prep here, cross. And then you want to go cocoa. Yeah, so click, I miss my cocoa. Yeah, so actually go on my cocoa. And then from here, you want to go butter. So you want to bring them together and bring them up behind your head. Whoop. And then down again. And that was on butter. Now you want to do kisses. You want to bring your left up to your mouth here. And go from right to left. Yeah, let's just do that part. So, I'm just gonna show a quick recap here. Click, I miss my cocoa butter kisses. Yeah, let's just do that a bit slower. So, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. Click, I miss my cocoa butter kisses. And remember, you can always speed up if you think I'm going too slow, yeah? So let's just try that again a bit faster. So 5, 6, 7, 8, click, I miss my cocoa butter kisses. And remember, I might be exaggerating a bit, but you can always keep it a bit smaller. So if you want to do it a bit smaller, you can just go smaller movements, go wow, keep it here, and go wow. Yeah. Alright, so once you feel comfortable moving on, next part we're gonna do is, so we just did click, I miss my cocoa butter kisses from here. Next part, just gonna show you. Hope you smile when you listen. Then we're just gonna do ain't no competition. So let me show you step by step here. We just did kisses from here. Still the left hand going like this, up to your head. From here, you wanna say arms are swinging from side to side. You can also do a more subtle one, up to you. Yeah, so side to side. Your hip is gonna go here, swing side, and it's gonna be left, right. Yeah, you can either go dip up, dip down, or you can just do side, side, whatever feels best for you. So let's just go again from kisses. We wanna do hip and then swing. Hip, hip. You can even take a step out. Yeah, I think that's better. So from here, kisses, you want to go hope you here, here. And you want to make sure you follow the lyrics. So hope you smile when you listen. Yeah? Alright, so let's just do the next part as well. That is from here, you want to go up, cross, go down. And then from here, you want to bring them up. So make sure palms are down here. And then we want to say flip them over and snap. Yeah, so let's just do it again. We just did wah, wah. We want to go cross, no, take them up. Yeah, palms down. And then you want to go whoom, flip them over, snap. And the moves fit with the lyrics. So it's ain't no competition. Well, maybe not the last part, but anyways, let's go back from kisses. We just here, up to your head. Hope you and then you go smile when you listen, and then ain't no competition. Alright, let's just do that new part again a bit faster. So from kisses, I'm just gonna show you a quick recap here. Hope you smile when you listen, ain't no competition. I'm just gonna go a bit slower than that. So 5, 6 from here, 7, 8, we go. Hope you smile when you listen, ain't no competition. Let's just try that again. So, from kisses, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. Hope you smile when you listen, ain't no competition. Alright guys, let's take it from the tip to the top so that we don't forget the first part. I'm gonna do a quick recap and then we're gonna take it slow. Alright, so quick recap, it's click. I hope you miss my butter kisses. Hope you smile when you listen, ain't no competition. Alright, let's try that a bit slower. So 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. Click. I miss my cocoa butter kisses. Hope you smile when you listen, ain't no competition. Now a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, click. I miss my cocoa butter kisses. Hope you smile when you listen, ain't no competition. Alright, so once you're ready to move on, let's move on to the last part, which is actually fairly simple. So, we just did ain't no competition. I'm just gonna show you the last part, how it's gonna look. Ain't no competition, just competing for attention and you like. Yeah? Alright, so once you're ready to move on, last part is gonna be super simple. Ain't no competition, that's where we ended last time. So from here, you wanna say arms back. I'm just gonna show it from the side. So no competition, you wanna bring them back before you lean to the front. Yeah, so front, left, center. Yeah, so competition, back, front, side, left, center. And you just want to keep your arms in here once you have taken them back and go lean, side, center. And on the last one, actually you want to throw them around here. Yeah, so what I mean is right after ain't no competition, just competing for attention. And then the last move is just the whoa. You want to bring up your left arm and go whoa. Do however you want it. Yeah, so right stays up, left goes down. Alright, new part, ain't no competition. From here, bring your arms in. Now you want to do front, left, center. Yeah, and then hit the whoa. And the lyric goes, ain't no competition, just competing for attention and you like. Alright, just try it with me one last time. New part. So right after no competition, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. Just competing for attention and you like. Okay guys, now from the tip top, let's tie the whole thing together. I'm gonna do a quick recap and then we're gonna take it slow. So quick recap, it's from the top, click. I miss my cocoa butter kiss. Hope you smile when you listen. Ain't no competition, just competing for attention and you like. Alright, so a bit slower. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. Click. I miss my cocoa butter kisses. Hope you smile when you listen. Ain't no competition, just competing for attention and you like. Now a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. Click. I miss my cocoa kisses. Hope you smile when you listen. Ain't no competition, just competing for attention, and you like. Alright guys, that's it for this next tutorial of how to do the I miss my cocoa butter kisses TikTok dance. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.